How to check the thermostat before installing it in the car engine. To check the thermostat before installing it in the car engine, the following steps can be followed. Place the thermostat in a container of water, making sure it is completely submerged. Slowly heat the water until it reaches a temperature at which the thermostat opens, which can be determined by the opening temperature on the thermostat. Once the thermostat opens, move it around with tongs to see if it is working properly. The movement should be smooth without any resistance. Make sure that the thermostat is completely closed after being moved, and cannot be opened again. Ensure that there is no damage to the thermostat, such as a leak. If the thermostat is working properly, install it correctly in its location in the vehicle's engine.